We're going to take a look at how to do some specialty landing pages. These are really awesome. They're going to help you get leads and be able to advertise different ways. The first one we're going to look at, we're going to be in your Lofty. Once you're in your main one, not your website, but your Lofty, you're going to go to the top. You're going to click Marketing, and you're going to go all the way down on the left. Here you'll see it says Tools. Underneath that it says Landing Pages. So again, Marketing and then Tools, Landing Pages. Now we already had another video talking about how to feature a listing. So this video I'm going to do on how to do a listing search campaign. So this is pretty much a drip campaign for different type of homes in different areas. So you can just do a blanket one, which has a lot of choices. This is a little bit overwhelming sometimes unless you're doing it for marketing. Another thing you can do here underneath the listing source, if you want to only search for sold listings, you can do that as well to try to use it for a mailing list, things like that. You can also use the custom listing feature, and this is what we're going to kind of look at and what we're going to play with a little bit today. So right now I can make it for relevance. Most people like either high or low to high. This is where most people are going to be looking for. So I'm going to go low to high. I want everything for sale or for rent. It just automatically picks that up. But we can change all that so it doesn't matter. Now the location, I can either plot it, as you can see, which means I can draw it on a map. Say I want to get a list of homes for military members in San Antonio, we have a lot of, and I want to be in the Northeast. I can go like this, I can drag around, get the Northeast, good to go. And now I have only that area, custom boundaries. Now as you can see, there's 3,000 homes. So now I can start to change that. So I want to probably have, 3 bedrooms and not worry about minimum bath. Max, I'll do 2 bath. So 3 bedroom, 2 bath. And I know that right now the median price in San Antonio is about 300-ish. So I might do 350. And then the minimum price, I might do 200. Anything like that. So now I'm getting a much more targeted group of homes that I'm looking for. And then right here, as you can see, I only want single family homes. This can also be done if you're doing a list for land, if you're doing for mobile, if you're doing for manufactured, all these other things can be done at the same time. Right now, I'm just showing single family home. Now, the great thing here is I can add other criteria. Say I want to add, I don't know, I'm just pulling some other ones out here. Say I want to add an agent, a certain office, a certain broker. I want to add square feet is a big one. Some people would like to get square feet. So I'm going to do a minimum square feet of 1,500. See, this has dropped from over 4,000 homes now to just 1,000. So this gives me a good marketing tool now. And I want to add any other ones, I can add any other criteria. You have tons of different, like 1-story, 2-story. I'm going to go to 1-story homes. I'm going to do 1-to-1. Get rid of minimum. And then that way you could add stories. You can see it gives you sometimes weird things, so you got to make sure you pay attention. So I want a max of 1 story. It's saying there's nothing out there, so I know that's right. So I'll get rid of that because it's giving me a weird number. And then I'm going to look here, other criteria. And it's good to see the errors that you can get as we're doing this too. If I want to get ones with pools, because it's so hot right now, I can do acreage, style, all kinds of different fun stuff in here. Waterfront, anything you want to do, you can go in here and build that list out. So once I have my criteria, I know I want to show my results from high to low, and I want to do it here. Everything looks good. Okay, I'm going to hit save, and it's going to load up. It says, da-da-da, we'll be on the website, blah, blah. This is just our little blurb, and I hit OK. Now I want to do like Northeast homes near put bases. That's for military base, but that's fine. So here we go. So now you can see this is the link right here. Northeast homes near military. I'm going to hit save. And then it's going to pop up and open up. Now one of the great things you can do here when you hit save, it's showing all the different homes. So I can go to style, I can go to settings, I can go to block. And you notice until I've clicked on all 3 of these different things, I don't have the publish button all the time. So that's really important to pay attention to that, is that if you don't have this publish button or if it's grayed out, you can go through and click all these buttons. And some brokers will have a 4th button, SEO, and you can add different SEO things as well in there. It just depends on what brokerage you're from. Then you can go through and kind of change all that and have fun. Now you can go right here. It lets you do all kinds of options, see what it looks like and all this. I don't worry about any of that. I'm going to know what it looks like already. I'm going to hit publish. Now once you hit publish, What I like to do, this is up to you, but I really like to go here to post to social, and then it gives me this link. This is the link that I want to work with. This is my power link, I call it. So this link here, your power link is the one. So if I open a new tab, for example, I go to Facebook, I'm just doing this for easy, and I open this up and paste it in there. You can see it builds me a preview, and this is a great home here. That was a great, we got a lucky preview, a nice home. And then you're gonna, once you get the preview, I'm gonna highlight the whole link and delete it. And then I would say something like, are you looking for a home near Fort Sam or Randolph Air Force Base, military PCSing to San Antonio? Anything like that would be a really easy way to do a great ad and put it out there. And then I can share it to all the different groups. I can also take a picture and put it on my Instagram. And once you do it on your Instagram, you have to be on your phone to do it. That's why I'm not showing you on the computer. When you do it on your phone, it's going to try to turn it into a story or a reel. I apologize, a reel, and you have to turn it into a story. Once you have a story, then you're going to be able to add a sticker. And once you add a sticker, at that point, you'll be able to throw your sticker in there and make it work. I'll do a video in the future where I record my phone screen showing you how to do that. And then you would take this link that you already have built, the one we're just playing with here, and you would put that in the sticker where it says learn more. And then you'd be good to go. And then I don't worry about all this stuff. It'd be great if I want to, but I'm okay. And then I don't have any social posting set up, so I can't post directly from here to Social Studio for this person. For Kevin is nice enough to let me use his account to do this video. And then in here, I'd post it, and then you get the extra leads coming in. It's that simple. So again, we'll go back here. You're going to come real quick. You go back to marketing, under tools, landing page, listing, search, campaign. Choose custom filter right here. And right now it's saved my custom filter. So if I wanted to edit that, here's my custom filter. I can edit it. And then I would just come in and change it. Whatever I want. I could replot, draw the map different, change different type of homes, whatever I want. And then I would hit save. And then again, of course, once I hit save, it's here. I change the name of it, and then I resave it. And then the good thing is you can see here, once it's been saved and everything looks good, it's right here, Northeast Homes Near Bases. So I can use this for whatever I want as often as I want, and it's ready to go. So that's your listing search campaign. And we'll come back and we'll do a couple more, and I'll show you how each one of these can be built and can be used in your marketing to help you get leads. Talk to you soon.